Good morning, forecaster Zach Briscoe here with the Hazardous Weather Prediction Center. We're going to take a look at a few things, including some possibility of some severe weather in the Northeast today, and taking a look at the current tropical storms out there. Right now, first thing we're looking at is our severe weather outlook here for today. We have hot and moist air coming up from the southeast thanks to a ridge of high pressure. A low pressure center, though, is going to be moving just to the east of Michigan. And we can see a little bit of severe weather set up in parts of upstate New York, Vermont, up into Maine. Main threat's mainly going to be some damaging winds, maybe a tornado or two, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Not as big of a threat as it looked earlier last evening, but there's still a threat of some severe weather up there today. Next thing we're going to take a look at is the temperatures for today. It's going to be quite hot from most of the Midwest out into the East Coast. Temperatures in the 90s, almost 100 degrees in some locations in the Midwest, with widespread upper 80s to lower 90s in most of the Mid-Atlantic and Southeast coastline. Let's take a look at the National Hurricane Center. We currently have Tropical Storm Humberto and now renamed Gabrielle. That storm just came back. It was disorganized. Now they reclassified it as Tropical Storm Gabrielle. And both of these storms are not going to impact the United States in any way. They're going to stay well off the coast. Taking a closer look here, see here's Gabrielle here, moving off to the northeast. That may make landfall somewhere like Nova Scotia, but not going to affect the United States. And over here is Humberto, and that's going to curve off to the north, and then it's going to stay out to sea. Only area you're going to be watching is down here right now in the Caribbean. It may move over into the Gulf and impact somewhere in Mexico or up into Texas as we head into the weekend and into next week. We'll have to keep an eye on that one. But for the rest of the tropics, it's pretty much calm. Not really expecting too much impact on the United States anytime in the near future within the next 4 to 5 days, but after that, some of the models are starting to pick up some more activity down into the Gulf, the Caribbean, and maybe up along the East Coast. So that's something we'll have to keep an eye on. I'm forecaster Zach Briscoe. Have a great day.